Hello you guys, today I think I'm just going to film the intro for this video right now. I'm going to actually use, right now I normally shoot on a 50mm for anybody that knows what that is. Today I'm going to shoot today's unboxing video on my 40mm. It's going to give us just a little bit wider angle of view, so I'll show you what that looks like right now. And just the background blur, if you guys even care about that or even notice it, will just be a little less creamy. So I'm gonna go ahead and switch to the 40mm right now and show you guys what that's about. Okay, so this is what the 40mm looks like. Clearly you can see the background around me a little more, and I'm not so as close to you guys, and then just a wider angle of view for you guys, so when I do the unboxing of the Saber right now. Alright, so finally here. Package just arrived, so I'll do my best to unbox it on screen. Hopefully this 40mm lens helps out a little bit. It's funny because my mailman actually straight up pulled up into my driveway and like reversed back. I just watched the whole thing. I was like, oh, he's going in. So here's the blade. So this is the main blade right here. And then the rest of it's at the very, very bottom. Not a clean unboxing at all. So, here's the body of the Saber. And I am assuming everything else that comes with it. So we'll go ahead and unbox what's in here first, which is going to be the two smaller blades, which I believe are the 6-inch blades is what they call them, or what the length is on them. Sorry about the audio if it's kind of loud too. I'll try to do something about it. The charger brick, cord, and the two smaller blades, since this is a Kylo Ren inspired design. So let's go ahead and take this off. Whoa. Didn't come with a kill key, which I kind of hoping it was, but that's not a deal breaker. I guess I could order one off of SaberForge. Definitely a little more scratched up than I thought it was. This is a used Saber, so although it feels really good. I'll always, like I always do, I'll add close-ups of the Saber itself. And then here's the pommel. And the cover tech clip. I won't power it on just yet until I have the blades in, because I don't want to see what it looks like without the blades in it. And apparently this is the champion tier. Speaker in the bottom. Pretty beast of a pommel. I will probably replace this with my other pommel from my Alkalite, just so when I'm twirling it and everything, I'm not going to cut myself. And here is it next to my SaberForge Talon, just as a size comparison. They're about the same height. This one's much heavier though. So I'm going to go ahead and put the blades in, and we'll see this thing fire up for the first time. So just a random side note, the main blade plug is like the 1/2-inch one. And then the two other side ones are the 1-inch blade plugs, which I thought was kind of interesting. I didn't expect that. Now, I don't know if this thing is charged or not, to be honest with you. I just don't want to turn it on and do the whole blade reveal and everything without having, obviously, the blades in. So far, it's pretty wide. So, this could be an interesting moment. This could not even turn on. I don't know yet. So I'm going to go ahead and dim the lights, and we shall find out. Oh, wow. It even has flicker. Whoa. Okay, so it took me a couple minutes to figure out how this saber works. It has the 3 sound fonts. I was just going through them just to see what was up on them. Just learning how this works when it comes to turning it off, turning it on, the flashing. I still need to figure out how to change the flicker and everything. I'm not 100% sure on that, but definitely way different. Definitely way different than a traditional saber. Obviously, this one has a lot more weight to it. Also, doing twirls and stuff, you gotta be mindful that these are gonna hit you. I guess, obviously that's the interesting part about the saber, is that it's not only more, in the movies, more dangerous to the user, but it's also more dangerous because you're not accounting for these getting close to you and hitting you. So I'll go ahead and post the close-ups, and then I'll get to know the saber a little more, and then I'll do an in-depth review and how the Champion sound font and soundboard works, and just my thoughts on the saber as a whole. So here's just a quick close-up of the saber. I've actually been geeking on this thing for like 30 minutes. I have put the plugs in. It didn't come with a kill key. That's fine though. I'll just buy one, either third party or off SaberForge. Has the reptile black wrap, cover tech clip, and this beast of a pommel. It takes quite a while for it to unscrew off, and these are kind of sharp. Just a nice close look. And like I said, I'll do a more in-depth video in the next coming days. Okay, so I'm actually really stoked off this saber that it came out. Everything works. The only thing I'm missing is a kill key, which is not a big deal because the saber goes to sleep anyways. If I didn't really look excited, it's because I was checking to see if everything was okay with the saber. Obviously, I bought it used, so buying something used is always a risk. But I'm super happy with this saber. I've been playing with it so much already that I already killed the battery on it, and I'm waiting for it to recharge again. So yeah, I have videos coming out soon. I'm going to be doing the full in-depth review of the saber, the Champion sound font, and just things of that nature. So thank you guys for watching again. I hope you enjoyed this almost as much as I did, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks.